Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change your home screen grid on Samsung S25. Let's begin. All you need to do is simply go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down a little until you find home screen. You want to go into home screen, and here we have home screen grids. We can switch it to 4:6 into 5:6, just like that. Now you want to hit done, and as you can see, our home screen is now changed. Of course, if you want to change it back, all you have to do is simply go back to the home screen, the settings, and then switch from 5:6 to 4:6, and hit done once again. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.